In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email campaign in Mailerlite. We'll walk through the full process, from starting a new campaign to sending or scheduling it, so you can confidently launch emails that look great and land in the right inboxes. First, sign in and head to your dashboard. From here, open the campaign section. This is your hub for anything you plan to send. Click Create Campaign to start fresh. You'll be asked to choose a campaign type. Mailerlite offers options like regular broadcasts and more advanced variations, but for most newsletters and announcements, select Regular Campaign, then click Choose to continue. Now you'll customize your email. Pick a template or start from scratch, then add your content. Use clear headlines, concise paragraphs, and a single primary call to action so readers know exactly what to do next. Keep your design clean, use brand colors consistently, and add alt text to images for accessibility. Check that every link works and points to the right page. When your layout and copy feel right, click Save Settings and then Done Editing to lock in the design. Next, fill out your campaign details. Give the campaign an internal name that makes it easy to identify later, such as the theme or date. Add your subject line. Keep it short, specific, and benefit-driven. Avoid spammy wording and unnecessary punctuation. Confirm your sender name and email are recognizable and professional. Staying consistent helps with trust and deliverability. Add a pre-header text that complements the subject and gives readers one more reason to open. Think of it as a short teaser that expands on your promise. Choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that are most relevant to this campaign. Targeting matters. Sending only to people who expect this content improves engagement and reduces unsubscribes. Double check that unsubscribed or suppressed contacts aren't included. Click Continue to move to the review stage. Take a moment to skim everything: subject, pre-header, sender details, content, and recipient selection. If something feels off, you can go back and adjust before sending. Finally, decide whether to send now or schedule. Scheduling is useful if you want to land in inboxes at a specific date and time. Consider your audience's typical reading hours for better open rates. When you're confident, confirm your choice, and your campaign is on its way. That's it. You've created and prepared an email campaign in Mailerlite. Follow these steps each time for a smooth, consistent workflow, and you'll build campaigns that are clear, on brand, and effective.